Hey everybody, who likes pizza? Today we're going to do a project called the Color Wheel Pizza Shop. But these aren't going to be just any normal old pizzas. No, these are going to be rainbow pizzas. We're going to be learning about the primary and secondary colors. Now let's get sciencey for just a second. Have you ever seen a rainbow? In order to see a rainbow, there needs to be sunshine and water, like raindrops. The light from the sunshine passes through the water drops and some crazy science stuff happens, but basically the white light from the sun gets separated into the colors of the rainbow. The one important thing I want you to remember about rainbows is they have a very specific order of colors. They're always in this order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So that gives us 6 main colors. Color comes from light, like sunshine, entering our eyes. And if you think about it, that makes a lot of sense, because you can't really see colors in the dark. Can't see much of anything in the dark. The color wheel is a useful tool for artists. Today you're going to make your own color wheel, but not just any color wheel, a color wheel pizza. Let's get to it. For this project, you will need some kind of colors. It could be markers, crayons, or color pencils, and a piece of paper. On our paper, let's start by drawing a rectangle, a circle, and 2 ovals at the bottom. The big circle will be our pizza, and the smaller ovals will be like plates. You can add a little wavy line to show where the crust will be. Now we need to divide our pizza into 6 slices. Watch closely and I will show you how. First, make an X in your pizza, and then make one more line down the middle. Now you have 6 slices, enough for 2 people to eat 3 each. So I'm going to draw 3 triangles on each plate, so each person is getting 3 slices. Now you could add some toppings. I think a lot of people really like pepperoni, so I'm going to add a few circles for pepperonis. I also love sausage and onions and peppers. Oh my. Now we need to start filling this in. I put the rainbow next to us as a tool to help us out. First, let's start with the primary colors. The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Let's make one of our pizza plate slices the primary colors and fill those in. They're called the primary colors because you can't mix anything to make them. You just have to have them. But when you have them, you can make all kinds of other colors. So after the primary colors is the secondary colors. And you get a secondary color by mixing together primary colors. And they are orange, green, and purple. Let's fill in our second plate with the secondary colors. So now we need to fill in the colors on our color wheel pizza. We can start with the primary colors, and the thing to remember is the primary pizza slices do not touch each other on the pizza, so make sure you skip a slice when you color them in. Now let's do the secondary slices, and here's where it gets a little tricky. You have to make sure you put each color in its right place. We're going to put orange in between red and yellow, because when you mix together red and yellow, you get orange. We're going to put green next. It's going in between blue and yellow, because guess what? If you mix together blue and yellow, you get green. The last one we have to add now is purple, and we're putting purple in between red and blue. Because if you mix together the colors red and blue, you get a beautiful purple. Take a second to check your work. Make sure your colors are in the right order. You may notice that the colors are in the same order as the rainbow. Ta-da! Now at the top, in my box, I'm going to come up with a cool name for my pizza shop. And I'm going to name mine Rainbow Pizza. Great work today, friends. I had so much fun making pizzas with you. Bonus round! If you notice something about our color wheel pizza, it only has 6 slices, but they can have more. Color wheels that have these extra slices have an extra color family on them called tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are made by mixing a primary and a secondary color. Let's look at it closer. Here are the primary colors on our color wheel: red, yellow, and blue. And in between the primary colors are the secondary colors: orange, purple, and green. Now if we mix two of these, we'll get a tertiary color. For example, red plus orange is going to equal red-orange. Orange plus yellow is going to equal yellow-orange. Yellow plus green is going to equal yellow-green. Green plus blue is going to equal blue-green. Blue plus purple or violet is going to equal blue-violet. And violet plus red is going to equal red-violet. When we say the tertiary colors, since they are a primary plus a secondary, we always say the primary name first, like red-orange or red-violet. You guys have learned so much about the color wheel today. Great job. Now go home and eat some pizza.